Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the MOVA P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop. I've gone through the internet, specs, and real user discussions to help you decide if this is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the biggest headline feature here is the insane suction power. This thing goes up to around 26,000 pascals, which is way higher than most robot vacuums in this category. From what I've seen, that kind of power allows it to handle everything from fine dust to larger debris and even deep clean carpets more effectively than typical mid-range models. But honestly, the real star of this machine is the mopping system. You're getting dual spinning mop pads with strong downward pressure and high-speed rotation, which actually scrub floors instead of just wiping them. On top of that, it has extendable mop arms that reach edges and corners, which is something a lot of robot vacuums struggle with. Now the dock is where things get really interesting. This is a full all-in-one station that can automatically empty dust, wash the mop pads using hot water up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and then dry them with hot air in about an hour. That's a big deal because it helps reduce bacteria, odors, and the need for manual cleaning. It also includes water tanks and detergent dispensing, making it almost fully hands-free for weeks at a time. Navigation is handled with lead DAR-based mapping, and overall cleaning coverage is pretty efficient. However, this is where things get a bit mixed. From real-world reviews, obstacle avoidance is not as strong as some competitors, especially compared to models that use advanced AI cameras. And that leads us to the honest part. After digging through user feedback and testing results, the overall opinion is kind of split. People absolutely love the mopping performance. Some even say it's one of the best in this price range. But at the same time, there are complaints about weaker obstacle avoidance and slightly less efficient navigation in cluttered environments. So here's the honest verdict. If your main priority is mopping performance and you want something that can actually scrub floors and keep itself clean with minimal effort, then yes, this is definitely worth considering. It delivers flagship-level mopping features at a more reasonable price. But if you have a lot of obstacles, pets, cables, or a cluttered home where navigation really matters, then this might not be the best all-around option. Overall, the MOVA P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 is a powerful and highly automated cleaning machine that excels in mopping and convenience. But it comes with a few trade-offs in smart navigation and obstacle handling that you should be aware of.